Most people create content non-stop, but they never build real income. Here is what it actually works. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a best-selling author and a visionary leader in the world of music and art, known as New Power Art. I help artists build a brand and increase their income, impact, and influence. So what are you going to do? Stop chasing, focus one, and build one irresistible offer and turn it into a system, deliver it, and sell it. Stop chasing, focus one, and build an irresistible offer and deliver it and sell it. Here is the 3-step framework. Number 1, turn your offer into a repeatable asset. Number 2, build an automatic funnel, deliver it and sell it. Number 3, grow one traffic machine such as YouTube. Your time is valuable, and your creativity deserves more than the hustle. More than hustles. Your time is valuable. One great offer with the right system can set you free. If you are ready, comment ready. Comment ready. If you are done trading your time with money, trading your time for the money, follow me. Let your passion into profit. Let your vision into freedom. So what did I told you today? Most people, what happened? Most people create content non-stop, but they never create any income. And here is what you should do. Stop chasing, focus on one, and create the system and sell it. And create one irresistible offer, and turn the system and sell it. So there are 3 steps. Turn your offer into a repeatable asset. Number 2. Number 1, turn your offer into repeatable asset. Number 2, build an automatic funnel, deliver it and sell it. Number 3, grow one traffic machine such as YouTube. You deserve more, and your time deserves more, and your time is valuable, and your creativity deserves more than hustle, and one great offer with the right system can set you free. So comment ready if you are done trading your time for money. Follow me. Turn your passion into profit, and turn your vision into freedom. If my message inspires you, if you are interested in my program, join me, send me email on the pinned comment below. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like, and comment, and make this video reach more people and help more audience. Don't forget to turn the bell. Subscribe and turn the bell. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.